How to remove the Google account from your Play Store. This tutorial is about that. The only thing which before starting this tutorial I'm going to mention that the accounts within your Play Store are not different from the one you have in your Android mobile. So if you want to remove an account from your Google Play Store, you have to remove that account from your Android mobile. So instead of doing it from within the Google Play Store, you need to go to the settings and remove the account from there. Here within the settings, click the accounts, and within the accounts you need to click Google, and here you will have the list of all the accounts which are already there in your mobile. So you just need to select the email address for which you want to delete the account from your mobile. Select that email address, you will get this screen which is full of the sync features, but on the bottom you will see there is a remove button. Once you will press this remove, your account will be deleted from the Android mobile, and now you can go back to the Play Store, and you will check your account will be deleted from the Play Store also. Like I previously I had two accounts, and now only I have a single account left within the Google Play Store. That's how you can remove or delete the Google account from your Play Store. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.